Hello and welcome. I'm Shefali, an accountant based in the beautiful country of Canada. Today I'm here to talk about a powerful financial tool that can help you grow your savings tax-free. Whether you're saving for a rainy day, planning for your dream vacation, or preparing for retirement, understanding how to make the most of your money is crucial. In this video, we'll be exploring the tax-free savings account or TFSA, a fantastic opportunity for Canadians to save money and earn interest without worrying for tax implications on their earnings. So grab a notebook and let's dive into the world of TFSAs, where your savings can grow tax-free, making your financial goals more attainable than ever before. A TFSA or a tax-free savings account is a type of savings account available in Canada that offers tax benefits for savings and investment income. Introduced in 2009, the TFSA allows Canadians 18 and older with a valid social insurance number to save money tax-free throughout their lifetime. Contributions to a TFSA are not deductible for income tax purposes, unlike contribution to a RRSP plan. However, any income generated within the TFSA, such as interest, dividend, or capital gains, is tax-free, even when it is withdrawn. The TFSA has an annual contribution limit which has varied over the years since its inception. These are the annual TFSA limits mentioned on the CRA website. The annual TFSA dollar limit for 2024 is $7,000. How to calculate your TFSA contribution room. The TFSA contribution room is the total amount of all of the following: the TFSA dollar limit of the current year, any unused TFSA contribution room from previous years, and any withdrawals made from the TFSA in the previous year. So where can you find your TFSA contribution room information? You can simply log on to the CRA website in your MyCRA to check for your TFSA contribution room. You can find the link to MyCRA in the description. So, what investments can I choose for my tax-free savings account? TFSAs can hold a variety of investment products similar to an RRSP, including but not limited to cash, mutual funds, securities listed on a designated stock exchange, guaranteed investment certificates or GICs, bonds, and certain shares of small business corporations. So how do I start investing in a TFSA? For starters, open a TFSA account. You can choose to open your account through banks, credit unions, trust companies, and online brokers offer TFSAs. Decide based on the investment options, fees, and services they provide. For example, I started investing in TFSA through TD Bank, and to begin with, I went for their special offer GIC. You could even set up an investment account with Wealthsimple. Investing in a TFSA is a powerful way to save and grow your money tax-free. It's important to approach your TFSA with a clear strategy and regularly review your investments to ensure they align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. If you like this video, please give a shout out to iCompare.ca for their wonderful financial resources. Also hit the like button and press the bell icon, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel.